Hey, what is up everybody, Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and everything that has been leaked. So, recently Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy Note 9 will be unveiled on August 9th in New York, which is only about a month away. It is literally just about right around the corner. So recently just about everything for this device has been leaked. Russian blogger Eldar Mortazan, I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, but he has a long history of getting his hands on a Samsung device way before they are released. And guess what? He has got his hands on a Note 9 and just having the time of his life. Yes, he published a hands-on review. So he says the Super AMOLED display is even brighter than before and has an upgraded always-on display functionality. He also confirmed that the Note 9 will also come in two versions. Like before, the US model will have a Qualcomm processor, while the international version will have Samsung's own Exynos chip. The base model this time will have more storage. I'm talking 128 gigabytes of storage compared to last year's 64 gigabytes of storage, and will also have 6 gigabytes of RAM. There is also going to be an 8 gigabyte version with either 256 gigabytes of storage and another with 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, whether we will see those higher models in the US, who knows? Probably not. It would be nice though, but all models will support extendable memory with an SD card slot, so you can get a lot more storage than what is actually on the phone. Now, the price is expected to be the same as last year's, probably around $950, but I'm sure we can be prepared to pay more if you do want that extra RAM. Now, for the cameras, they are going to be similar to the cameras on the Galaxy S9 Plus, with the variable aperture, improved low light photography, and better optical image stabilization. Now, the one noticeable difference will be that the two lenses are placed horizontally and not vertically, with the fingerprint sensor being positioned below them, just as all the rumors suggested. It is also said that the AR emoji feature is going to get an upgrade according to the Leaksters report, but I mean, we shouldn't really get our hopes up considering how bad it currently is, but who knows, it might turn out to be something good. Now, one of the main things on the phone is getting a nice upgrade, and I'm talking about the battery. Yes, the battery is getting bumped up to 4,000 milliamps. It has been confirmed. It said that this battery can last you up to 2 days or even more than 2 days of battery life. Honestly, for me, I will be happy with just one full day of heavy use and I will have no complaints. The report says you can watch up to 25 whopping hours of video playback at maximum brightness, and just about when you're hitting those 25 hours, that's when your battery on your phone will eventually die. So it sounds like the battery on this device is going to be a huge deal, and I can't wait to see how long it will actually last. Now, one of the biggest headline features for this device will be the S Pen. Yes, there have been so many rumors going on about what the S Pen can be like. Well, it looks like there has been confirmation of what this S Pen is going to be, what's going to happen with it. It is actually going to support Bluetooth connectivity, and it will also offer a new way to unlock the phone. And there is said to be a whole lot of other new features. So it looks like a lot of the rumored features that we have talked about over the past couple of weeks were actually true. And you know, honestly, I do think that this phone is actually going to look a lot better than what a lot of us had thought it was going to be. It doesn't really sound as boring anymore as before when it was very first leaked, saying that it was going to be very similar to the Note 8. Well, I mean, it does still look very similar to the Note 8, but it's still going to have some nice upgrades and new features, and it is still a beautiful device. It is a beast, and I'm sure anybody that buys this phone is definitely going to be a happy camper. And honestly, I can't wait for this phone to be released so I can get my hands on it. But yes, August 9th will be the day for unveiling. Who's excited? I know that I am. Leave your thoughts down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.